Presenting amazing finishes with a grand design. Hi, my name's Stefon Bertram, proudly representing McGrath. I can't wait to walk you through this home. It offers you everything you want when it comes to low maintenance living. Let's go have a look. Entering the property, you're met with beautiful high ceilings as well as large tiles throughout level 1. This property boasts 2 living areas, one at the front of the home, as well as a large open plan space at the rear of the property. This area flows nicely to an undercover entertaining space, as well as enjoying a north-facing level rear yard that's fully fenced and child-friendly. Apart from the upgraded finishes found in this property, like the double brick construction and the high ceilings, something I love about this home has to be the floor plan. You will find 2 large living areas as well as a 5th bedroom with ensuite, ideally located on level 1. This space is perfect for either guest or in-law accommodation and makes this property really stand out from the crowd. The kitchen for this property is well appointed, presenting 40mm stone bench tops that waterfall all the way to the ground, a glass splashback, quality appliances, as well as ample storage throughout. Moving upstairs, you will find generous accommodation across 4 large bedrooms. The bedrooms all have built-ins, and the master is definitely something special, boasting a luxury ensuite as well as a boutique balcony with sweeping district views. Other features include downlights throughout, ducted air conditioning, as well as a lock-up garage. The location for this property is definitely a drawcard, moments from regular government transport, popular schools, parks, and all other amenities you'd want for the growing family lifestyle. After walking through this property, you can really feel the space and quality in every part of the home. Something I love, it has to be these sweeping district views felt from the balconies. I can't wait for you to check it out for yourself. If there's any questions, give me a call. If not, I'll see you guys at the next inspection.